Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Behind me, check this out. And pause for a minute. I'm gonna do another video in about 2 days. 5 things I hate about 3 different diesels: the Ram Cummins, the Ford F-250 and 350 series Powerstroke, and of course the Duramax. So stay tuned for the 3 upcoming videos, because I had somebody on my channel request that, so delivered straight to you. Not putting your name out there, but that video is specifically for you, brother. So stay tuned. With that said, check this out, guys. This, my friends, is one of my favorite trucks. Okay, this is a 2014 Ford F-250 Lariat 6.7 liter turbo diesel. Wait for it, Platinum, which is the highest model you can get in an F-Series pickup truck. You're gonna debate out there, the King Ranchers, oh, this and that. Get a Platinum and you'll see. I mean, everything about the truck is just impeccable. Rear heated seats, sunroof, front cooled and heated seats. I mean, you name it, it has it. Every single thing to the moon and back. What are we sporting here? We're sporting a decent sized lift kit with a Toyo Open Country all-terrain tire. Guys, these are a 35 1250 20-inch tire. The valance, lower valance, was trimmed a minimal amount. Nothing too much. It doesn't rub at all. Full turn left, full turn right. The tires have pretty good tread. I would say maybe 45% tread on all 4 corners. It's got a full exhaust system. It's got the factory tip, as you can see, okay, with, I'm gonna get under here for you guys. Oh my God, it's tight under here. There it is. All the way up to the cab. Full exhaust, small little shoot-through muffler, as you call it, with the factory tips. I like the styling. It's incognito. It looks tough, and it sounds even tougher. The coolest part about these trucks is the massive grille in front. The best part I love about this generation F-250 and 350s and 450s is the huge grille. It's absolutely mammoth. It looks like a Mack truck coming down the road, and you can't get any tougher than that. And it's very distinguishable difference between the F-150 and the F-250 from the grille, unlike the Duramax, which is a little tiny difference. You can kind of spot it, especially with the mirrors and stuff too. But on with the rest of the show. It says Lariat here. People are like, oh, it's a Lariat. Nope, all Fords put the Lariats there. You'll even see on the King Ranchers, it says Lariat. You'll see on the base models what they start off with, which is Lariat. The package is the Platinum. It's got a low pro by Tuxedo truck cover. Slow folding tailgate, backup camera. I got all my detailing supplies there for after the pictures, after the detail shop. I touch stuff up. That's there. Don't worry about that. No bed liner, nice and clean in there. Your Captain Morgan stick right here. Easy closed tailgate. It's hard to push up. I'm not gonna lie. I'm strong and it's hard to push up. Your backup camera's right there. The plastics are in great shape. Beautiful plastics. Backup camera, backup sensors. A little bit of damage right there, not too much. Same with right there. I think it was a trailer at one point, whatever. Full exhaust, like I was saying. Let's look under the hood and show you guys. The seats are in great shape. It says Platinum, so you know as soon as you get in, you're in a Platinum. Right across the front. Front driver, front passenger, and rear driver seats all say Platinum. This truck has 111,257 maintained miles. There's all your goodies right here. Your mats are in great shape. It's got Harley Davidson step rails. Why did they change those out? I don't know. I'm not too sure. Preference maybe, or maybe you took the step rails off and somebody changed it at one point in time. Start this bad boy up. Ready? Ford symbol as soon as you open it. Coolest part about it also, boom! You get all your goodies inside here and everything with navigation chip, USBs, and all sorts of other accessories. This truck is loaded with stuff. I bet you guys didn't know this. Check this out. Secret compartment inside the F-250 and 350 and 450 series trucks. Ready? Pull this up. Pull these up. Just told you guys my hidden secret. Secret compartment alert. Secret compartment alert. Uh-oh. Shh. You didn't hear that from me. Hide your cracked pipes and everything. Just kidding. Hide whatever you guys want, but I just want to give you a secret. Awesome storage. You got all my waters and stuff like that in here. My plate. Backup. Watch, ready? Start it up. Heated seats, cool seats, heated steering wheel. Do not disturb. Put it on the hotel door while you're at it. Go to Pound Town, guys. Reverse camera, navigation. I mean, you name it, it's got it. shut it off, go to the rear. All your auxiliary buttons right here, whenever you want to hook some light bars up, it's a quick disconnect right here. It's already grounded out onto the engine bay. You plug it in, it's good to go. Wood grain throughout. I mean, the leather's in perfect shape. The sunroof is in great shape. Everything works. Sunroof, garage door openers, rear sliding window. Put your sunglasses there when it's sunny outside. All your garage door openers. Shit, my garage is open. Now you guys can get in trouble with my Z06. Boom! Come over here. Your cab lights at nighttime, that's another thing. You know this truck is tough when you're coming down the street and that sucker's on there. Beautiful engine bay, super, super clean. You got some goodies there and some goodies right there. Fresh oil change, inspection, and brand new fuel filter I just put in. You'll see the video on that one. And yeah, hope you guys like the video. So without further ado, this is Mark signing out, and this truck shouldn't last too long at all. I dare to compare somebody that has a similar mileage one, similar year, in good shape. You probably do, there's probably plenty out there, but this one is, in my opinion, phenomenal shape for what it is. So stay tuned, there's more to come. Oh, Anthony gauge. I'm 6 foot tall. Next to the truck, I stand a little bit above the mirror. Guys, if you don't know, I've incorporated off of one of my subscribers. I can put his name out there because we've been off and on every single video. Anthony, big shout out to you, buddy. Hope you're doing great, man. This is called the Anthony gauge. He requested it one day, and I've used it ever since. It's called the Anthony gauge. Here's the key fob, by the way, while you're at it. Remote start and everything. You can always tell a truck's been beat or taken care of by the key fob. At least I can. You always see, like, the key is in great shape. The buttons are not worn out. The backside still has the Ford logo on it, and it's in pretty good shape. Door jams as well. I always count door jams, and walking out of the seat, rolling out of the seat. I call it the big man syndrome. You roll off the seat and it just tears the seat up. This one's in great shape. Steering wheel, wood grain. I can go on for this truck and start talking on and on and on about the truck. Mirror extenders, memory seats, Sony system. Oh my God. Whatever. Going on and on and on. Hope you guys are doing great. This is Mark signing out. See you later.